Gotta be careful.
Oh, we can put the wood in here. You want me? Hey. I can back it up and put the wood in here.
Do you have, how does your back look? Yeah, that's probably better.
Yeah, I can put it in here.
Yeah.
Well, I did this just because you like it.
You got a flashlight, you're prepared.
Jesus, is that
Nobody
bright?
else
You know what I mean?
That's an LED. Got new batteries in it. I had a nice one, my son broke it up.
I didn't put it, we're gonna put it in the back of this.
And strobe lights, that's to disorient somebody. Like if you come up on somebody real quick and you flash it at them, it makes it so they can't see you. So like if you're holding a gun or something and you use that, they can't see you. Right, exactly. But when it's flashing, they can't see you. You know? It makes them hard.
No.
Freeze.
Use that flash.
You're such a punk. We're gonna get a cop that comes out here and be like, freeze everybody right now.
Ah, my eyes!
You want me? Hey, hello. Look, just take all the wood in here and then I back it up.
Okay.
Everything. Yeah, because you leave the lights on. ¿Está abierta la puerta de atrás o no?
No, that's what I said. Yeah.
Déjame abrirla para que no le den nada.
I'm thinking a crocodile or something's gonna come out. You guys stay your butts inside. I am in.
I will leave it right there, like that, and then head down from there. So we can leave all the wood you want in the front. Or if you want to do it like that, I'm going to do it.
Garden snake. Why do you have to be next to mom always?
Gosh, you guys are rude.
Oh, it's faster.
I'm gonna throw you out there with the crocodiles.
There's no crocodile.
Oh, there's crocodiles. They could just come out of nowhere.
But there's not crocodiles right now.
See, everybody's alcoholized, so they really don't think about the the crocodiles right now.
Who's talking to?
I'm recording this, what they're doing out here. I'd be scared shitless going over there.
I want to go out there.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Can I go?
Look, Daddy's out there, but yeah, no, not me. No, not you either. You guys are going to stay alive. Thank you. Goodbye.
I'd rather die with Daddy and you.
Well, we're inside.
We died together, remember?
No. Daddy's crazy.
And me.
Why is my phone not charged?